The overall goal of this technique is to assess the cryopreserved dolphin sperm functionality by the heterologous in vitro fertilization using cryopreserved dolphin spermatozoa and zona-intact bovine oocytes.
In this video, we will show how to collect, evaluate, and cryopreserve dolphin spermatozoa. Then we will assess sperm interaction and penetration of the zona pellucida, male pronuclear formation, and hybrid embryo cleavage.
One critical issue in the development of assisted reproductive technologies is the evaluation of sperm function, which is best indicated by its ability to fertilize. Homologous IVF techniques are commonly used for the evaluation of sperm function, but obtaining dolphin oocytes is very difficult.
The main advantage of heterologous in vitro fertilization is its simplicity. Bovine oocytes are readily obtainable and can be processed in vitro by well-tested protocols.
We will also demonstrate how to cryopreserve dolphin spermatozoa using liquid nitrogen vapors, a simple technique that does not require highly specialized freezing equipment.
For this procedure, the male dolphin should be previously trained for 6 months using positive reinforcement. Let the animal lie in dorsal recumbency near the edge of the pool. There, perform various tactile stimulations by gently pressing on the cranial area of the genital groove to elicit voluntary extrusion of the penis.